diggy diggy ding. Some girl a ruffle up on it. Me them want figgy the jacket. But me nah go mind no bikini if me know I know me like it.
Welcome to another episode of Bar Talk. Milestone indeed. It's 10th episode already. Here we have Yad, the girl them got. We have Nguvo, we have a teacher, the bleacher. We have Giroud, the girl them Rude. We have Saga, the girl them Pampa. So subscribe, like, very interesting topic to be discussed right now. Over to you, teacher.
Alright, bless up yourself, Yad. One call me the girl them, huh? The bleacher, say I call it. Girl them bleacher, that's a brother. Why, oh boy. Anyway, so fraudulent paternity is very prevalent in Jamaica, and the supporting statistics are embarrassing. In these paternity cases, fraudulent paternity, we call it jacket in Jamaica. Jacket. Alright.
Jacket.
So the supporting statistics are very embarrassing. In these paternity cases, the unsuspecting male is intentionally identified as the father of the child by its mother, who knows he is not. So people, this is one topic I want to touch from a long time. So now the right time to touch. So the topic goes, does the jacket fit paternity fraud in Jamaica? I'm going to go again. Does the jacket fit paternity fraud in Jamaica? Hot topic. So I'm going to throw it out now. Bridging them in the bar, you know what I mean? So open discussion. What's your bridging?
I'm going to go first. As if you notice from a podcast that we did preview, I think it was episode 3 where I told you that ladies come for the agenda. So who more stable? Them now want to get a jacket. So it go. Over to anybody want
to poor man can't get jacket then. Wait, say broke man can't get jacket.
Broke man can't get jacket.
Broke man can't get jacket. They say, my bro, I go in a relationship, I can't get jacket then. So that means that my youth, I go to somebody else. Well, what's supposed to be my youth, I go to be assigned to somebody else.
Remember, I know a baby mother and a baby father, once they connected, connected. Once there's a child involved, connection. So that baby mother always get something from the relationship. You know what I mean?
Wait, say 18 plus years. I'm 18 more than 18
plus years. Yeah. So once the baby father rich, baby mother always get all the money. You know what I mean? Because the child is involved. So that's why you always find a lot of the jacket percentage so high in Jamaica. Stability, people, stability. Man, they want stability. They don't want a broke man. For eat mackerel and rice, if a freaking
get. I tell you, say the broke man can't get jacket.
Why mackerel and rice? But not mackerel and rice.
Yeah, mix up yourself this hour again.
And now I mix up myself. Woman, them not in a broke man. Listen and go over.
No, definitely no woman want a broke back.
Why? Are you going to use it?
The man that say I broke back, the dog don't say.
Bro,
man, I can't confuse himself. Man, I can't confuse himself.
Yo, yeah, man, confuse himself. No man, I broke man. That tell you.
Hey,
so what the confusion is?
Wait, no man, I'm sure nothing. All I did sociology. You ever sociology, Jero?
Yeah, man.
Come on.
All right. Remember saying one I think them will teach you was like
I mean,
what they call it? What kingship?
The Maslow hierarchy needs
kingship relationship or matrifocal thing where the woman decides to you guess go on. One of our ways of surviving is having a bag of man, and the picnic is used as a part of the whole
a meal ticket.
Yes, a meal ticket.
Investment.
So now that me just say when I go like a foolishness me that.
That me look on you and tell us.
Nobody never say it's a foolishness.
So I go over. So me say 7.5 attack.
Yeah, confuse yourself, yeah, confuse yourself.
Okay, 7.5.
Me want to ask her one question. So wait there now. But what is the big deal in a woman looking at the scenario and say, all right, we just fuck 3 man, bill nana money, Peter him job come and go, and James, a marketing director, a big company.
Mm-hmm.
But really and truly, a Peter Pitney. So why the big deal with a woman look on it that way? In order for survival or youth, I bet she give the umbrella we can do the maths the right way. The youth.
Where's the economical choice? Where's the economical choice?
Why the big deal in an economical choice?
Well, boy, my born, well, economical, try shall look on that. But in terms of the social aspect, my born a fire this still. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, the youth need for them real father and the wrong man get the child.
But Peter get the opinion probably turn gunman.
But said James that the youth like a female youth.
Yeah.
Because him thinks
everything.
Think so.
James if find out son a female youth, him cut. No, but you have someone who's still under the jacket, you know.
No, we know that's the next part of the scenario. Where I say, but right now, James I do everything. Everything where the youth need James I deal with.
Yeah, but pre this though. Because same like how you can say everything the youth do, James I provide. It's just like the lottery scammer. Everything where the lottery scammer requests, person will get scam I provide. So you want 1,500 for clear your winnings. The scam person I send the 1,500. So the woman in this case,
you consider the woman to be a scam.
Oh, you mean a scam, she a scam. Oh, I just the same thing.
I think you should save in the country, no Salama.
Save in the country.
Because Peter go that young man, he probably tell one good man, I see him.
Yes, man, I road.
Yes.
Stereotype, brother. Stereotype.
Stereotype,
brother.
No, stereotype.
My thing.
60% 60% that man, that little boy might turn a gunman.
Why? No.
Peter live in a back pool now, in a zinc fence.
Peter Liam. Peter not up again youth.
And James come from uptown.
Peter can't motivate the youth.
James live in one in Brook style there, you see me?
Nah, man.
So Peter
hold on, Solomon. Hold on.
Me I say. Yeah,
have means to be a good father.
No.
Alright.
That makes sense. You can't say that. You can't come
That's not a question for me.
That's not a question
for me.
A man have means.
That's a question for these. That's a question for these informal prostitutes.
Alright, pre this.
Yeah, that reinforce upon them.
Alright, pre this.
Save a country, man.
Pre this.
Which country? Stop that foolish.
I can't cross off the place already, you know, man.
Really?
I am forces like that. Want to enforce the point, Mr. Nguvo. I'm telling Mr. 7.5.
No, man, we set bar right way, you know. We need to make it a tradition. We need to order the drinks first.
For real.
Before we continue, Rich.
For real. Give me a Spitfire.
I'll have
cool red stripe. The cool red stripe. Red stripe.
Give me a flask. A white rum and a flask of Campari. And
straight Johnny Walker. Straight Johnny Walker black. Right in the system.
Yes, I keep on walking.
And I think Nguvo wants
a glass
of milk.
The side.
Preferably Surge Island.
Yes,
advertisement they go again.
Alright, pre-this from Jump Street, you see where society on a whole monetize a man's role in the relationship. So the only thing them put say a man's role is financial.
Get the bread.
Support. Get the bread. So you find say it will only become innate in some of these females because some of them, as it say, man cheat, woman cheat. So some of them women are cheat on the man them. I go always associate a father or a role of a father with money. A study was done recently. Yeah, man. A study was done recently by CM Herbert Gill, where him pull a study of, as Nguvo mentioned, some poor men in some communities who played the role of a father, not just financially because them couldn't afford it financially, but them did for the pay them cook, ensure say clothes, iron,
guidance, protection, nurturing.
Nurture the youth, and them did for the youth, and them did physically present. The parent, the mothers and the females in those communities gave those men a failing grade out of 10. They gave them like 4.5 out of 10.
So them give the man a failing grade. Because them not provide the money.
Can't provide
no economical means. But them still do the regular.
Right.
But teacher in essence said that
Hold on, and hold on.
No, man, Jeru, bring it back to the jacket.
And then
finish.
Yeah, and then you find where, so you find where the man who migrate and they're foreign, and all him do is send money every week. Yo,
Barrel youth, barrel pitney.
Him send $100, $50. I'm only talk to the youth once a month. These same women in these communities give that man a 9 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
And say he's a good father.
Economics.
So you find say because the financial aspect of fatherhood is all that enough of these women grow for think of. All them do is whoever have more financial stability is who sometimes them end up give the child to. But it's not a case.
Basically, in the Jamaican context, then it basically makes sense for the woman to that. Then,
in the context that the mind of the woman is that money is playing a role.
Money is all. Money is king.
Money
I'm
is
sure
all.
that. I'm going to Joe. I'm chime in a little bit. Come and ask stay long. The jacket thing is not really frowned upon by females, you know. Some of them celebrate it, you know, among themselves, you know, when them drop a jacket for the money, man, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember the famous selector, when I call the name still, and him find out some 13-year-old daughter and a female, but him still check for the daughter, him still go provide support. Mataran, yeah, in the media. Yeah, man, him banned the child from Shaban. I'm still gonna do him local support. And most of these cases, people find out when them are filing for the youth or for embassy. You know, you have for the DNA. Yes, I might look up chime in that. Yes, and that.
I see him to Drew that said this the man
wait, so a teacher tries to say more man must do that? Where tries to teacher?
No, I never say more man must do that.
No, but where have you mentioned a case then?
No, why am I mention why the woman are doing it? Drew, and go.
Well,
and go and go. And come on.
Alright, go through, yeah.
But basically, even when Drew, that's the end Drew point. Because even when them said the man who didn't get the 9 out of 10. The time man who was send the money go get the baby mother, right? The so-called baby father get the baby mother money. It's that money. It's that money when send to her. You think 20% go towards the baby. Most of it go towards she.
So that's hairstyle.
Hairstyle. So it's a next income towards for her. So as we say, it's necessary for the woman to give man more money. The jacket. As we tell you, she that's a fair thing.
That's
first thing go in a relationship of stability.
And that's why some of them are dead.
The Salaman, hold on.
No, we can't.
No. We're not support.
Yeah, but it's not violence. But I'm saying this is the reason why some of them are dead.
You're not supposed to. You're supposed to. You're supposed to.
Clear the statement, Joe. Because we don't have the podcast land thing, so we have support them thing there.
No, you're supposed to.
Explain.
I might
explain.
I might get a jacket that fit and I fit like that bomb bucket. I'm dead, Joe.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
No, I say you don't need to kill now. No, when I kill for, you don't bother the child already. The child is like him.
What are you saying?
I don't support that a while ago.
Me support that. If they get the jacket, right?
Oh yeah, what I say?
No, well, if the mind support the jacket, so not wrong with the film thing now, they can't fight them.
No, but I'm asking what is he saying? Because
what I mentioned, if he is on the
and what I am mentioning,
in supporting that child. So
the jacket I'm fitting down there, Blair.
You can't fight
what I am saying, I may not fight it, but
you need to kill no man and vex no man for that.
Hear the man. The man a fight with me and say,
yeah, man, someone for jacket.
Well, I'm not yard. This is what I say. What I am saying is factual. Women are dead because of things like this. What you say? I'm
say that I tell you that not supposed to be, Giroud.
And then listen to what I say now. I want to tell you there. Remember the case when we were at university, 2007, 2008, 2007, where the man killed him the woman must kill himself in a must a tavern or Augustown.
Yeah, up for them place. One of them.
But Drew, may I say,
Listen to what I say now. Yeah, the man have 4 pitney with the woman. Him raise the 4 pitney them till them go. You be a primary school, high school, wherever not.
Never kill a woman.
I himself him kill.
Is a different case that you're talking about?
All right, let me tell you, remember the one where
when him kill himself, that one the two.
He kill himself.
Yeah, but I say
a Redovich, the man wake up the morning and see your Reds give me
Rest
a drink.
in peace, Redovich. Rest in peace.
Give me a drink now, Reds I say you're miserable now, man. And see how that alarm now, man. All if he hears about 2 hours later, dog hang himself.
exactly. Why him hang himself? Because the man the man raised the 4 pitney them.
Yeah, that's a basically. Yeah, that's a basically. You need for bother even go do the test. If you just accept
it and work with it.
All right,
we know.
No,
listen. First of all,
that basically I said.
yo,
So nothing wrong with that.
You're not confident.
Engovo. Give me
Clone behavior that still.
Give me
Clone behavior that.
No, for the clone. That means saying like you never like the child.
man. Give me 3 tight, man.
Like the child.
Yeah,
You
give me
can't like
3 tight.
the child. You can't like the child to each other.
Nothing to do with light, brother.
Yo, me a big up. All right.
Last week
I'm
you said
drinking
no man
John
no
Walker,
man for the
straight.
man for the running
First of all-
there. Yeah, big you know.
First of all, that is why me always make this declaration. Me not in a the stepdaddy thing. Me not in a no man youth.
No.
Listen when you say that, brother. You know, I'm finished.
No, man, I'm
No,
not
we
that.
can't
Man, where you
finish.
talking?
No, wait.
No.
So what, man? For us,
No, man, I'm not this talk bad man, Salaman. So that means
Yeah,
every
the man
woman will look after the childless then.
brother, you know, make me finish, brother.
No, man, I can't make you finish, man.
Talk for
Maybe
your
we can
talk,
finish.
Salaman.
Me
That
nah
man is
mind
your
no
chat
man
say.
man
Not
pitney.
true.
Me
My
nah
man
mind no
complete
man
in
pitney.
statement I had.
Me nah mind no man pitney. Guess
No,
what?
man, me not support that, boy. Me not support that thought, man.
You know, be so that you want to support me, go mind man
Nah,
pitney.
support that thought,
It's
Dan.
a charity, go mind man pitney. All I'm saying is,
man dead.
if listen what I'm saying now, if I find a woman and she have a youth, yeah, yes, if from me find out that she have a youth, guess
You
what
left
me
her?
saying in my head. Guess what
You
me
left
saying
her?
in my head. Guess what me saying in my head now. I only want vagina.
Nah, man, that too rigid, man.
You, Mr. Superman. That's you.
No, man, I'm Batman. Cause the girl them love me.
So guess what, man? If a woman tell me say she a breed for me, if me can't, you can't do pattern test in her belly. So the only thing you can do, I give her 9 months. But guess what the government do? The only thing we're good. What the government do? You can get back that money if the youth is not yours.
So that's a good thing.
9 months. So
That's
if
a good
that
There's
9
a
months,
legislation
spend,
against that.
if that
There's
9
a law
months,
passed. There's a law that passed.
Yeah, do a test.
Yeah,
Woman
youth.
married long term, 20 years, way. As a baby man, you do a test. That you try
As
to.
the baby born, me I do the test.
Okay, all right.
When in doubt.
Born.
Well, what my highlight is before the move on.
No doubt. Man has to do the test
Well,
no
no.
matter what. That the man
In
Gentlemen.
a business, she can vex all she want. She
Let
can
me highlight
That's
this.
what I say, all right, then, yeah.
Me say a look at things,
if
sir.
a man, if a
Well,
man,
Anna Solomon.
if a man did do what them do, every woman don't do woman a file for maternity test quick. Cause them not trust man. So why me if you go on like me a idiot? More I'm a test, virgin. Me could have married. More I'm a test.
All right. So there are some fine and penalty, you know. So they must say if the woman is found out to be committing the paternity fraud or giving a man a jacket,
And for
here the
jail.
fine now. Well, I know $250,000 to $1 million.
That me tell you, man.
Fine. Well, I know,
That me
man.
tell you, man.
Imprisonment or an increase imprisonment term not exceeding 3 to 6 months. Guilty. Or remember that only a man going to follow this tree now. The whole embarrassment thing. So them just lower it out and
That's
just
a one.
them.
Ego. Me a follow through and
Ego
want my
thing.
money.
Oh, I wish at least did ask your paternity.
Me a take you back.
Buddy, I wish
Powell,
I
I love art with artists. Asafa Powell.
A great Asafa Powell. The hero.
Safa.
The hero.
But that now I'm not to do with jacket teacher. That's half a thing.
Remember,
we do child support better.
Yes,
Yeah.
when you have the child support, you have to do a DNA test, Mr.
No, you don't have to. You don't have to.
Well, the man request one.
We can request, but you don't have to.
Well, the man request one.
And a foolish is not him though. We don't know that.
The man in doubt. The man
I don't know why you don't go. I don't know why you don't set up. I don't know why you don't set up. That is for you. Set up that.
Man is like that. You know you get that woman in.
That is for you because I have charm and charisma and I trick them.
But I have charm and charisma too, so we are saying.
You want to mine other men's child.
No, I don't want to. But and every woman you get have a child.
Me not there with no baby mother. Me not there with no woman who pregnant during the pregnant. Me wash off the head. Me not there with no baby mother.
Suppose that woman make a bet. Suppose she's the one. She's a soulmate.
All right, what is wash off head? Wash off head is the clinical term where
no man. Now wash off my head. Now wash off my head.
So
now wash off my head.
Can turn cool.
No, I know that it mean.
That's what it means. Cool the people.
You drink too much rum, bad man.
Some terms on
one more flask.
So in Google, when you hear nothing from you about this paternity fraud thing, is Jackie, you're silent over there.
Mr. 7.5, I do I give questions.
When daddy for you,
in Google, you don't mind a jacket. In Google, you don't mind a jacket. In Google, me attack. I'm over there silent, you know. I hear what you're
doing.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so. You don't think so. That sound. Like the man have a look.
You know enough woman do too? A woman knows say yo, a woman knows say a man bust in her belly, you know, brother. And she a breeding in her 1 month, you know. And God guess what, you and I go live on bad terms, you know that. But you see cause you have the cash. She just make up, you know, and give you some vagina, you know. And you bust in her belly, you know. I hear
squeeze
you,
it pan him, man. Feed me what man.
Squeeze it pan him by a month. Edge him out. Me paternity test, you hear that? Want it for mine. I want the podcast like so we are ready. Ladies, it's irresponsible, it's downright disgusting, obnoxious, and downright dirty.
Exactly.
Give a man a child that is not his.
Exactly.
And that's why me say she's just like the scammer.
You are a poor human being.
Raffler.
Or the scum of the earth.
I think you guys are being very savage.
Or the scum of the earth if you give a child that
savage.
is not.
I think I am savage.
Look like
savage. Very, very savage. Because that child
pre this. Because
pre this. You me I say. You me I say. That time for pre. Because that same when she could have even uplift herself when she even give that man the jacket. The better man the jacket.
What?
What are you trying to say?
When I explain myself, When I explain myself,
charity around, sir.
What are you?
You know where am I trying? You try some brother.
It's not like if you don't find someone to get jacket, you now commit suicide.
Oh, easy. That's
brother, yeah, man.
Brother, if you want to uplift our spirit, there is
Jack Daniels.
There's Jack Daniels. There is Johnny
Walker.
There's
Johnny Walker,
there's Remy Martin.
Real nephew them.
There's real
nephew.
Yo, NEC.
One lift your spirit there. Protect you. Well, guess what? They are irresponsible with their vagina. Unno want this feminist movement when everything is equal. Equality, and we're still giving away jackets. We're still giving away jackets. I don't want equality. I don't want to be recognized as somebody. Stop giving away jackets.
And as Medea said earlier, Zine, because you had say she go grow. Yo, remember say once a child
of generational rapists in blood, but kind of money.
When there's a child coming to play, there's a child involved in this relationship now,
Exactly.
No, one when let's say a for instance, something happen where this child needs surgery and need blood, and you quote unquote as the father.
Exactly.
Play your role so good. You run to an hospital to give your pitney. And when you draw the whole of your blood, and when you look and you see them say the blood and your youth. What you talk say? You know, so that's all.
But Giroud, go even further. Man, you have to blood now. The pitney upon the deathbed and blood it needs to save the pitney life.
And that's why I say,
you fully wreck. You fully wreck. You fully mash up.
That's why I say it's more than just involving the mother and the father.
Exactly.
And the child in play now. Because suppose the blood what the child want, I go save them. And you go and give blood. The blood no match.
You know what is unfair?
And them things money can't.
I know what is unfair. The fact said you decide. No, what the fact said you decide.
The fate of the child.
Never that you decide whether or not this man should have a chance to deal with him youth. You decide that. You decide. You make a decision for cut the money.
The money man, James. James are the money man and Peter the broke man.
Yeah. Peter Ananas. Bill down money.
Yeah,
Peter Ananas.
But James have the cheddar.
And now get the job them when
need. That's why I say you had a preach from just the man and the woman perspective.
No, yeah, he's a female.
Yeah, well. But then watch this.
The two male man.
No man, look on it. You have to look on the thing.
Should be more male.
You have to look on the picture.
You make it
stick in a yard. Here, hold on now.
Cut you, Joe.
Watch this, Ian.
Yeah,
we mentioned the hospital case of the pitney, the on death's bed, right?
And it's a good find that.
Well, the next
case.
Listen to what I'm saying now. And the next case is the migration.
Nah, I see now my rum drinking a bad man.
Enough of these youths out here, a sink on the fact that, yo, my father filed for me can't go far.
Yeah, man.
To get a quote unquote better life.
Better life. Quote unquote better life.
Reach them for go embassy. Embassy say them for do DNA test.
I never that to Giroud. The youth work him socks off to get good grades.
Yeah,
mash up.
Yeah, some say when it reach embassy stage now, teacher, the child comes on and as Solomon say, get good grades in exam them. Passing the whole exam. This youth now in a 5th grade and him do the right
thing. As one way, one
thing, the man is not the father for the pitney. Who you think hurt the most in that situation?
Just get mashed up.
You think the man I go mash up a foreign as much as the little youth mash up knowing say him can't go foreign to him quote unquote father. Where is it? What is the what is the penalty for the female?
Next thing, not for cutting about the next thing is how the youth are thinking about his mother.
Exactly.
I think what kind of person this woman is.
So so much years.
No, but no, not pay the woman in a bad picture in a scenario.
Any woman will get jacket
should a bad scenario. Anyway, second a bad scenario.
What you talk say?
And when the juvenile no one decides to go to the mother and say, oh, so mommy, I want my father. And she gonna say, oh, John, you know, say me no know.
Yeah.
Sure, know. You know,
how about some time them no know, dog?
Some time them for real, that I'm real.
Oh, so I tell them genuinely no know because them going to take so much cock in a last.
Poor man can't get jacket. That me know that's your fact. Poor man that get jacket.
Poor men usually don't.
Yeah, you usually don't.
The best thing then teacher is not nobody with a try to live a better life thing. Just go and be poor and just easy yourself, you see me?
Go and be what?
I never that Enguvo, you know. It's time we start talk about just the same way women are stay over the years, say man careless with them fuck. A time now we start show say women even more careless. We cannot give birth to a child now, so there's no way we can give jacket, you know.
Yeah, we can't deceive them now, you know.
Man can't give jacket, you know. Man can give bun. Man can give bun. We give bun very well. We give bun top of the line. We're top of the line in terms of
bun and jacket. Which one?
Well, I mean, I necessarily agree with that one there. Say more proficient.
No, we're not more. No, it's not a matter of more proficient. It's the bun thing now. I become man not really follow up woman make woman seem like them better cheaters, you know.
No, but at the end of the day,
woman like how woman follow you up. We find out them long time.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, it just show you say the two sex them are gibbon.
I don't show you say
Right.
two sex them are go hell.
and the woman has sex. They don't condom, basically. And the woman do right thing.
Exactly.
And guess what, go on? Them are give born a hell. Them are give born a hell and also a heaven. So, in terms of this topic, it's a pretty simple topic in my view. This jacket thing. As I said before, and I reiterate, a woman that gives a man a jacket is very inconsiderate, is downright shameful, and should be ashamed of herself, and is a scum of the earth. Likewise, a man that gets the youth, and it's his youth, and abscond is responsibility. So, in totality, if you get a youth, give the right man the youth. When you get the youth and your youth, look after him. That's it.
Alright, so boy, Solomon, if you realize some of the time the woman themselves even know who are the father, you know. But anyways,
informal prostitution.
What may I say is this: the whole jacket thing is a very unfortunate part of Jamaica's culture. Alright, it is a result of broken homes and broken families, and it perpetuates that cycle. It has negative impact on the men when they come to the realization that he would have been deceived. It can have negative effect on the child and the child's perception of his or her mother in that scenario. So basically, it's not like a quick fix thing, because as I said a while ago, some of the time the woman themselves never know. It's just to you to, as a female, to be more responsible in your sexual life and be more careful and less promiscuous. Over out.
Alright, yeah, dear. Well, to make it seem like say the woman them is very oh my god, I can't believe how my friend them are dealing with them. So, but we can see how sometimes you can see how the woman them really can give the woman them the jacket. You know what I mean? Because them themselves, as I always telling you, should learn from what I'm saying. So stability a woman go in a relationship. So who is more stable? I get the jacket, and we can see she look out for herself. Everybody look out for themselves. Because the man even look out for themselves. I mean, remember you get a jacket. You know, you find out say your son a jacket. I say go. I want him think that. No, I want him think that you grow up to love a child. No, the child you love and the jacket you love you grow up to love a child as your own now. You know what I mean? The clown thing start now when you start if you accept that woman in your life, if you run a woman, but the man, the boy and the girl keep on motivating the person, all them stuff. What? I mean, I really see nothing wrong with a jacket. I mean, you get a jacket that was circle. I was one of them things that the raffle does go on. Me I raffle up on that. I circle. I'm out. I understand.
You are surely out.
Yo, remember Men in Black?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The device, wipe your memory.
Wipe the memory.
Yeah.
I need one of them.
We need it now.
Yeah, man. I understand one thing we just got. But as I said, in the end of the day, people will just do the right thing. As Ngugo mentioned, people will be more careful and more responsible when it comes down to them sexual lifestyle. And do the right thing. I think as Solomon said too, it is just downright wrong, and the woman them need to stop do it. If you're not certain who is the father, whoever you're with, just be a responsible human being and make the person know say, Dan,
9 months of pregnancy, I want to eat food. Sorry.
No man, I'm not talking about eat food, but make it be known that this is the case, this might happen.
The decision himself.
Right. So if at that point now the man can decide to say, boy, I'm not sure. Me stick around and then find out after. But don't put the curtain over the man's eyes and lead him astray, because in the future it will cause harm to everybody involved. Not just the woman, not just the child, not just the man. Everybody involved, it can cause harm. Because we mentioned it before,
Trouble there.
situation where the child might need surgery and the man willing to assist, because in a female he's the father, and if end up him can't assist, him lose the child. Bam, that's our one. Next scenario, the youth want to go foreign, and when him find out and him father, what is that child going to do going forward? Stop put blinders on and think about the situation only for yourself. Let's do the right thing. The woman them need to stop it.
Yeah man, so the teacher there, boy, My memory just wiped from what you had said a while ago. They use a Men in Black device. You know?
Wipe and wipe, man.
Yeah, man.
Wipe.
Yeah, man. Moving on.
Yeah,
So
Wipe
wipe.
and him wipe.
Wipe on my mind. What you just said earlier. Anyway,
But the your mind, bad boy.
based on what you said about you accepting all jackets. Jackets are welcome. Anyway,
As long as I swipe.
yeah, anyway. My
Feel,
thing,
man.
what me I try to say, I don't want the people in the podcast land feel to say I just uptown people alone get jackets. Where some people say uptown people have money or middle class. You have man at the garrison, we have money. And you have garrison people get jackets. So jacket is not unique to one specific class. Say it right across the social spectrum of society. To the woman them, why if you not doing anything on road, you just wear a condom. So you have to avoid, so you can avoid that type of raffle and dip type.
Women don't wear condom, they wear femidom, sir.
See, alright. Thank you, sir. And the man them out there.
Femidom.
Yeah, a long time need a word in. And for the man them out there who you know some girl bad, you still go in, you still have sex with them without a condom. Why? Somehow wanna cause it for themselves still cause we didn't have some yeah man, don't finish the statement. What me I try to say, the woman them stop misleading man them and remember you know the youth them get damaged psychological at the end. So it's not only solely for us. Tax and tear and breed for your money man. The youth them suffer in the long run, especially when him find out so the man him say or know for X amount of years, it's not his or her father. So it's a slippery type of slope and youth can grow up to hate his mother based on what transpired. You know what I mean? So it's a slippery slope. You know what I mean? I might look to take that on it still. Give the youth to the right father.
What did
You know what I
that say?
mean?
Have a baby by me and be a millionaire?
What, 50 this said that? Alright, so close out the podcast.
Thanks for watching and listening to the Bar Talk program. We are here. Also, we do referrals. So if you want to call us or talk to us, just email us at bartalkja@gmail.com or so.
Yeah man, quite so.
Yeah man. Or you can message us by Instagram and just if you want, if you just reason with me. And we also reason us. You see me? So big up on the stuff.
Smash the like button. Up. Out and out.
Subscribe.
Oh.
Peace and love.
Yeah.
Oh.
Stop.